intermediate level tap dancers. This is Laura for Exit Space at Your Place. So we are going to go through the intermediate combo that we learned last night for May 5th. This is the combo we're going to work on all month. Obviously, we're going to add to it each week. So I'm just going to show you as far as we got last night. So we're going to start with that cramp roll time step. I'm going to teach it, but I'm going to teach it a little bit faster than I normally would, just because this has been shown on other videos. So if you need to go back and watch those videos, you can either email me at laura@exitspacedance.com and I can send you those videos, or you can go to Exit Space and go to their YouTube channel. I have uploaded them there as well too for you guys. So this is our cramp roll time step. We're going to start on the all one, so that's spank heel. We go spank heel, flat forward, flat step, heel, dig. So essentially that's an around the world cramp roll. Around the world cramp roll would mean that I'm either going left, right, left, or right, left, right, versus right, left. Ooh, that's a tongue twister, like a regular cramp roll. So I'm also making it a double because I'm flapping before. So my time step part is the spank heel, flat. Here's my cramp roll part. Flat step, heel, dig. Now, in order to go into another time step, I dig instead of heel drop, so I can prepare for that spank heel. Biggest note I can give here, spank heel, flat step, heel. Keep your weight in here so that you can go into that dig. That leg is free over there. So, again, as always, in place of that heel, you can hop. So it can also go spank, hop, flat step, heel, dig. I'm going to keep going. Spank heel, flat step, heel, dig. I do one more. And my break goes, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is spank, heel, brush, step, heel, spank, heel. And that's even. So the tricky part right there is you are going to finish with an even spank, heel. Then you're going to start a time step again. Spank, heel, flat with the one instead of N1. So you got to make sure that you find that sound in there. So that break again goes, I'm going to go from the break into the next side of the cramp roll time step. And so it goes 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So that was the very first chunk of it. Then we go into, I had some fun with heel drops and crawling in this dance. So we're going to go 1, and 2, and 3, 4. So that's flat, left, right, knock. So you're doing a little crawl. Make sure that flap is uneven or short. You do the same thing to the left. So the left goes flat, right, left, knock. So the two together, I'm going to do it from the after the break. So sorry, I'm going to do the break. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Now we're going to do a slap quadruple heel. So it's slap, which means I'm not going to change sides here. It's going to go right, left, spank, step, heel. So that's a 1, and a 2, and 3, and 4. So left, right, brush, step, heel. So 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, and a 2, and 3, and 4. Then it's 5, and a 6, 7, and an 8, 10. So that's step, right, left, step, right, left, step. And you're going to put all your weight onto that foot. So I'm going to do it from the break of the cramp roll time step into the new part. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and a 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and a 6, 7, and an 8, 10. Good, we're almost done, so I'm going to give you the last little part. This part's easy compared to the rest of that. We're going to slurp. So again, your slurp is the toe, heel, toe, also known as a closed closed third or triplet. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4. And then I thought we didn't get enough practice on the draw back in the previous dance. We're going to draw back, starting on the step on the 1, or sorry, step on the 5. 5 and the 6 and the 7 and the 8. Remember, your draw back is 1 sound per foot. So it's step, swing, heel, step, swing, heel, step, swing, heel, step. All right, I got to go from the top and put that all together. 5, 6 from the time step, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and your break, and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that's our combo. So I'm going to do it with you with the music, and I'll do a set counting it, and then I'll do a set being completely quiet so you can really hear those sounds. Hopefully I make all those sounds for you. All right, here we go. Right foot.